Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
This camp is organized by Women Doctors Wing Madgaon IMA आणि असे हे कॅम्प जे घडटा न्ही ते आमच्या सोसायटीक लागून खूब बरे आसता बिकॉज इन दीस कॅम्प द मल्टिपल फॅसिलिटीज कॅन बी अवेल्ड बाय द पीपल एंड नाव एज यू कॅन सी देर आर लॉट ऑफ वुमन हू आर वेटिंग टू बी examined and they have a lot of faculties is available over here, like we have a psychiatrist, we have a gynecologist, there is a pediatrician, surgeon. Overall, post-COVID scenario, if we take, the problems seem to have multiplied. Like women have remained at home, so I would say mental health is a big issue at present. So that needs to be evaluated, and having a psychiatrist for such a camp is of great benefit because if you notice, many women avoid visiting a psychiatrist. Gynec issues are also on the rise, like cases like CA cervix, cancer of cervix, CA breast. These are the cases, and in Goa, as we all know, 1 in 8 women are suffering from breast cancer.
Under the DHS, we have got so many programs specially dedicated to so many specific diseases, like be it tuberculosis, HIV, stroke, anemia, malaria, filaria, tuberculosis. All these are happening, but we don't have a camp mode. Of course, government of Goa is having many camp modes, things like the NCDC camp for women above 30 years. Also, we have certain other camps like tuberculosis are done, testing is done for tuberculosis.
We have all gathered here today at Trimart Gogol Marga to conduct a free health camp for women. It's a multi-speciality camp which is organized by IMA Women Doctors Wing Margao branch in association with Trimart and Sunshine Hospital and Lab Plus Pathology Lab Margao, as well as Rotary Club Riviera Financial. Every year we conduct this camp, free health camp for women, in the month of March. The purpose of this camp basically is women often neglect their health because in front of their families, and the health of women is always sidelined. So through this camp we are giving an opportunity for all those women to get themselves checked, consulted at our camp, and so that they can take care of their health in a better way.